Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to set up Apple Pay on your iPhone. So first of all, you have to go to application that is called Wallet. Let's type it. So now in the top right corner of your screen you will see plus button. Let's tap it, and then you want to select option debit or credit card. And then you have to select the bank that you're using. From the list of options, let's tap continue. And now you have two options. You can scan the card, which will be more faster way, or you can enter card details manually. So I will do manual way. So here you need to enter your name and your card number. And then tap check mark, and here in this field you want to enter your expiry date and your security code, and then again tap check. Then you can see on your screen some terms and conditions that you want to agree with. Let's wait a little bit. And as you can see, your card has been added to your wallet, and additionally you need to verify your card. So let's do that together. Let's tap continue button. And now in this field you want to enter your verification code that you will receive to your iPhone. Okay, now let's tap this check mark. Wait until your card is verified. Let's tap continue button, and as you can see, your card appeared in your Apple Pay wallet. Now it's ready to use. So that's how you can set up your Apple Pay on your iPhone, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.